Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Home Spa Ultrasonic Cool Mist Dolphin Humidifier. This powerful and aesthetically pleasing, BPA-free tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features that make it the perfect solution for improving the quality of air in any room. With its ultrasonic technology, this humidifier is extremely quiet when working. It neutralizes the dryness in the air to reduce the possibility of airborne conditions arising from them. This humidifier does not require any filters, and it can operate for up to 8 hours. To set up, simply remove the water tank from the base and unscrew the water tank cap and fill the water tank with clean water. Close the cap and place the water tank back onto the base. Turn it on by pressing the on-off dial. You can also control the air moisture by rotating the on-off button. Say goodbye to coughing and congestion, and hello to better breathing and a more comfortable sleep with the Home Spa Dolphin Humidifier. We recommend using only distilled water or water with a low mineral content. Adding essential oils to your cool mist humidifier could cause the tank to crack and the humidifier to malfunction. If you would like to experience aromatherapy, please use the Home Spa Aroma.
Health Sense introduces Pure Mist Ultrasonic Cool Humidifier, which helps in increasing the level of moisture in your room to provide major relief from most of the health problems caused due to dryness and low humidity levels. Releases a gentle, cool vapor mist with ultrasonic whisper quiet technology for a noise-free environment. Demineralization filter helps purify hot water to release mist in its purest form. 2.8 liters easy-to-fill tank allows 8 to 10 hours of uninterrupted use at maximum vapor flow. Rotatable nozzle to set desired vapor level. Enjoy your favorite oil or water-based aroma fill in the air while humidifying with aroma diffuser. The moist air from Pure Mist reduces dryness and dust in the room. Your skin and lips also benefit to remain soft, healthy, and supple with ample moisture content. Helps combat several health problems like cough and cold, fever and croup in children, snoring and breathing problems caused by virus and bacteria. A standard AC room with Pure Mist will regain its moisture level, which otherwise is as dry as a desert. Detects empty tank to switch off automatically. Pure Mist also serves the purpose of a lamp with its multicolor LED night lamp to set the desired atmosphere with your favorite color or spectrum of colors. Pure Mist, the smarter way to humidify at